God's message for you today: watch till the end and get blessed. My beloved child, give me your heart. Live in purity, walk in holiness. For I am the God of holiness, the God of righteousness. I will restore you. I will heal your mind, your brokenness, and your spirit. Come out of the darkness of lies and unrighteousness. Step away from iniquity before it leads you to ruin. Come to me, all of you who are weary, burdened, and weighed down. I will give you rest, rest for your soul, peace that surpasses all understanding. I will remove sickness from your life, and I will restore what Satan has stolen from you. Every wound, every loss will be healed in my name. Turn from iniquity, turn from unrighteousness, resist the devil, reject sin, and I will stand by your side every step of the way. I have called you to myself, and I will never leave you. Do not let sin take root in your heart. Walk away from it, for I am the God of all flesh, and I have set you free. Say no to the temptations of this world, for I am your strength. You are not meant to live in sin. You are meant to live in freedom, in righteousness. Stay right with me, and I will help you. Flee from iniquity, for it is a destroyer that will pull you into the depths. Know this: a sinner is a slave to sin, and sin will never satisfy you. But follow me, and I will restore all that has been lost. Live in complete obedience to my word, and you will be set free. Choose righteousness, choose life. Run to me, pour out your heart, for I have called you to myself, and I long to help you. Stay away from sin, my child, for it will destroy you. But know this: I am your Savior. I will never forsake you. Thank you for watching. Let the fire of God's purpose ignite your spirit today. Did this word move you? Share it with someone who needs encouragement, healing, or a fresh start. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another life-changing message.